This is a client who's been in our program for 60 days now. With TransUnion, her score went up 81 points, Experian 82 points, and with Equifax 209 points. I'm going to show you the before and the after and show you all of the late payments and all the other types of accounts we were able to remove within 60 days, permanent results. So let's take a look at her credit report. Okay, so in November, that was 2 months ago. Okay, so let's take a look, right? So 683, 682 in Equifax. That was in November 24th. Now look at all the, more importantly, the scores weren't horrible, but look at the late payments that she had with this mortgage. Look at the late payments here. And then I'm going to show you 2 months later how these are no longer there and the results are permanent. Charge off collection accounts that she had on her credit report. So now let's take a look at January 24th, 2022, 2 months later. Okay, well, let's see. 764, 764, 762, right? And after that, she was able to get an American Express card, as you see here, 3,100. Credit limit, we're working on increasing that now. Capital One, only good accounts. You see all those other accounts are gone, permanently deleted. Our results are permanent. Okay, so if you're looking for permanent results, contact us. Our results, we also give you a lifetime warranty on all accounts that are removed. You can track your results also 24/7 from your mobile phone. If you want results like this, click to call or click to schedule a call with us. I look forward to working with you.